Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another copycat recipe for Nothin Bundt cakes. The last one I done you all loved, so I figured I would try out another one, and this time we're trying the red velvet. So I hope you guys like this video and give this recipe a try. So I went ahead and laid out all my ingredients. I've got my water already measured out here, my cream cheese, some sour cream, my eggs, my cake mix, mayonnaise, vanilla, chocolate chips, and my powdered sugar. So we'll go ahead and get into the baking. Okay, so the recipe I have calls to put all the ingredients in a large mixing bowl and mix for 2 minutes. So I've got all my liquid ingredients in my measuring cup. I've got half a cup of water, half a cup of oil, 3/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I'm going to put this in the mixing bowl, and now I'm going to crack my 3 large eggs. Okay, now that I've added all of my wet ingredients, I'm going to add my cake mix along with my 3 eggs. And now my cup of chocolate chips. Okay, so now that I've got all this added in here, I'm going to put my whisk attachment on here and mix it for 2 minutes. Okay, and I have like maybe 1/8 of a cup left of chocolate chips, so I'm just putting those in there too. Okay, so now we've got our cake mix all mixed up, and I just greased and floured my pan, and now I'm just gonna evenly pour this in my bundt pan. I can get it in my bundt pan, get it all on the side of it. Okay, so now that I've got it in the bundt pan, I'm gonna get a towel, or you can tap it on your countertop, but it just makes it a little bit louder. But I'm gonna kind of like tap it on my countertop to get any air bubbles out. And this is going to go in the oven at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes, or until you can insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. So you want to start off by having all of your ingredients at room temperature. This will make creaming the butter and cream cheese together a lot easier, and you just want to cream it for a minute or 2 until it's really well combined together, and then add your vanilla in. And once that's mixed into the mixture, you want to slowly add your powdered sugar in so it doesn't make a mess all over your kitchen. So now the last thing to do is just to icing your cake however you want. I chose to icing mine how Nothin Bundt Cakes does it, which I'm not a huge icing fan, but I had a little extra on the side for those who wanted it. But this cake was super good and it turned out amazing. So I hope you guys give this a shot and let me know how you like it. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. And if you guys haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos, along with liking this video if you enjoyed it. So that's all I've got for today, and I'll see you all in the next one.